Hi.
Okay, who are you?
Oh, my name?
Big mouth.
Yeah.
Okay, that isn't supposed to be funny, okay?
It's okay because I'm handicapped. So people take the mickey out of me all the time. I don't really mind. I'm used to it now.
Oh, you weirdo.
It's okay. Look, I can balance on two legs.
Okay, we don't need
Okay. All
the
right.
act. You should be in a circus. Now listen, kid. What skills do you have for being in an airport for the control tower?
Um well, in a control tower, you've got to be controlled. That's for certain. You've got to be a tower of strength. That's for certain. You've got to like lots of coffee. That's for certain.
Okay, nothing is for certain around you. Tell me what's the matter with you.
What's the matter with me?
Do you have a condition?
Yes,
What is it?
my condition is that I'm loyal.
What happens if I did this?
Oh, that's my that's my alarm. You're just smacking there.
What?
It's to tell me whether I'm going to have a cardiac arrest or not.
What? How do you make it go off?
By having a cardiac arrest. Hey, don't joke around. Don't joke around. Hey, hey, man, I'm having one.